Okay, welcome back, guys. I think I got it this time. I think I got it. You ain't gonna believe this. Check this out. I got me a thing to step up on. So how about that? That's what I'm talking about. It's pressed down good. This by far is the best way on the internet as far as April 2021 to do this that I've ever seen. Compress that sucker down, no problem. Put a hole through your wooden bench. Run your turnbuckle with a hook to the top of that. That's a Bobo kit, whatever you call it. But anyway, you come down here and go up underneath this puppy and tighten your hold down. So this is not going off that bench, number one. Number two, you're pressed down pretty daggone good. I'm below the ring spot, so I'm going to try to put the ring in with two retaining clip. I'm going to try to put it in with two screwdrivers and we'll call it a day. Let's see if we can get this. Anyway, hope this idea helps y'all tremendously. This is the first time I ever did a transmission. I'm figuring out things by myself. Everything on the internet did not work that good. And there's no details on this. This has got to be a frustrating thing for many people. So if this helps you, please comment below. Try this, comment below, let me know. And I'll give you details on the apparatus itself. After this video, I'll upload another one to show you how to make the apparatus. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.